Did you know that Gamma AI can create complete presentation videos for you? Now, I will give you my AI system that will research any topic for you, write your scripts, generate an avatar presenter for you, and design all the slides automatically. You will see how I use prompts, how I use AI tools, and you will watch me build a complete video just by copy-pasting. Now, this is perfect for faceless YouTube videos, for tutorials, list videos, and anything educational that needs slides. And this is, in my opinion, the very best way to produce videos at scale. So here are the 5 steps for creating these educational videos with AI. First, we're going to do research. An app called Perplexity will do the research for us. You'll be able to use the free version. Step 2 is going to be writing the scripts. Here we will also use an AI, the free versions of these AIs that I'll show you. Step number 3, we're going to make the slides. We don't do any editing actually, all we do is copy and paste. You can use Gamma for free. And step 4 and 5 is going to be the final assembly. Choose to speak on the video yourself, or you can use an AI avatar. I prefer to use HeyGen. And the final step is just assembling the entire video, and that's it. So let's do the research. I'm going to open up a website called Perplexity. Perplexity.ai. And you can use this for free. This is kind of like ChatGPT, but it's specialized in doing research. Click on the research button, so it has deep research. This is very important. A side note, on the free plan you can do only 2 or 3 of these deep researches per day. So the topic that I chose today is how to make AI videos that don't look like AI. Now, you could start a research on this and it will give you some results. Now, I've developed a prompt that will do a very in-depth research on any topic that you give it. I copy-paste this prompt. Now, side note, if you want this prompt, I'm actually giving it away for free in the AI Creators Club. And to join the AI Creators Club, basically, all you got to do is sign up. It comes with a 7-day free trial. I'm going to link to it in the description. So basically, I take this entire prompt, copy it, and paste it right inside Perplexity, like this, to change the topic. And it already knows, because we want a deep research, breaking news, key capabilities, all kinds of very interesting stuff. And just make sure that you're on deep research, that this is selected, and then push this button and let's see what happens. Now, you have to sit back and relax and wait for, let's see, a couple of minutes. I just want you to see what's happening here. Like, look at how many pages it's scrolling through. It's trying to get the very best data possible. So to do this manually, it would probably take you weeks to do such a research, and it's going to give you the result in a couple of minutes. Like, take a look at just the amount of data that we got from Perplexity from this search. Yes, it took a couple of minutes, but look at that. The breaking news, it actually listed the top AI video generating apps, the cost, the features, what to test, some limitations, the pricing on each of these apps, comparison charts, who could use this, like small business owners, how much time it saves, how much that means in dollars, case studies, return on investment scenarios. So we have here also a top of the best ones, Sora 2, and so on and so forth. I instructed it to give me links to the best places where I can do some screenshots, screen recordings for my videos, recommendations for the video structure that I'm going to make. So this is all with that master prompt. So now we have the topic, now we have the research, and now we want to create a script. So now we're going to go to Gemini. You could use any other tool like ChatGPT, Claude or Grok, and I'm just going to type in, this is a research, make sure you use it in making of the video. So I'm going to go back to Perplexity again to make sure that I copy the entire research from here, and now I'm going to paste in this entire research. Okay, there we have our research. Now you could hit return and it's already gonna give you a pretty good script, but we have developed a master script for creating really good YouTube videos. So what does that mean? So it's an 8-part script. This is a couple pages long. It adds SEO titles inside the video. So you're starting in a way that Google will rank you more easily. YouTube will also rank you more easily. And with this prompt, I make sure that my videos have the highest chance of performing on YouTube, so that the watch rate is really high and people really like it. And at the same time, it's constructed in a way that it naturally includes my offers and my freebies. So I'm gonna take this one, copy this entire thing. Right? Now, if you want this, I can give you this entire prompt for free, and you can get it here inside the AI Creators Club, and you can join this community. This is a community of close to 500 members, and you can join for free for 7 days, and after that it's just $37 per month. You can join for free, try it out, use the prompts. The link is in the description. Now, going back to our main prompt. So this is the research in Gemini. Next, I'm gonna add the long prompt, that 8-page prompt, that 8-section prompt. And I'm gonna just now hit return. Okay, so now we have our script. The prompt actually has specific instructions on how long the script should be and how it should be made. So here's what we got. AI video in 2025. This replaces a $50,000 video shoot. I have some bad news, so I instructed it to start with something strong, emotional. Pro tip, whenever you start your YouTube videos, whatever you talk about, even if it's educational content, the first 30 to 40 seconds has to be something that will get people to stick around to watch the rest. That is the most important part of your video. Talking about realism, exactly what we want. OpenAI Sora, Kling 2.5, Google VO3. Okay, it's using, you see, it's using the stuff from the research. Okay, this is my freebie that I instructed it to give away. Perfect. Okay, I'm not gonna go into the details on this. We're gonna just copy this entire script. And now we are ready to do the next step. Step number 3, creating the slides in Gemma. So this is again a tool. This entire slide that you're seeing right here was created inside Gemma. It took me like a minute. So let's just go back to Gemma like this. So if I'm actually on the free plan on Gemma, and I was able to do quite a lot of stuff already. When you log in and sign up, you'll be able to create new stuff. So let's create a new AI-based slide. Create new. Paste in text. I like to use this one. You have other options too. Let's go with traditional. So that's just the layout. And let's copy paste the full text in. It's gonna be a lot of text. And it's gonna give you like bullet points. This is really good if you're free speaking in the video. And this is also a very good option. It's gonna make the layout really nice. And then you have also the option to preserve this exact text. What is the difference between these two? Okay, so for example, I created this intro slide. These were the exact words in my intro, okay? And I instructed it, okay, keep the exact words and show the exact words like this. So this is how it looks. I have these exact words plus some images and graphics, and I think they look great, and they are produced exactly the way they should be. Really good. And the other option that they gave me was where they summarized the ideas of my words. But yeah, this one I would say is looking even better. If we go through it quickly, you see, it's looking really, really good. I think I'm going to be using some of these. I don't want to go fully with this because it also added a couple of invented things. Like, for example, I never said this part, that it's 10 times faster and 90% cheaper cost reduction. Yeah. It invented it. It felt like, okay, that fits, let's put it in. And of course, you can just change any text here and so on. But I wanted you to see what's the difference between the two options. So let's go back to what we were started in. On a full video, a full presentation, when you're making it for YouTube, I would actually recommend that you go with preserve this exact text and then click to prompt editor. Now, here you have looks. You have a couple of looks. This is the black look that I've used here. It's kind of looking like that. I really like this one. You have another one like this. Yesterday I created this shot. I think this is looking also really good. Let's stay with this black style. Options for the image style. You can add illustrations, real photos, 3D. I really like this line art thing. You see this line art? Click on this freeform and select the number of cards. Because the text is so huge, it can only give me 10 cards. Let's delete some of this text. Yeah, let's see if it can generate this for me. 10 cards should be enough for a quick test. Think about it, if you would need to put all this stuff into PowerPoint, like add it into PowerPoint slides, like that would be, like I just really hate making PowerPoint slides and it took me so much time. I made a couple of webinars doing PowerPoint slides. Let's take a look what we got. AI video 2025 replaces a $50,000 video shoot. I have some bad news. The AI video executive era is over. Bam. Looks amazing. The problem, the real is the barrier is gone. Yeah, this is a different technology. The problem, okay. Yeah, how avatars work, the perfect video wins. And yeah, this is good. I wonder how it would look if we would make a different video, add the full script in, make it so that it summarizes long text or documents and creates a condensed version of this. Continue to prompt editor. Again, I only have 10 cards and my credits are going down, but still I'm on the free plan. And let's see again, how much is it? The plus plan is, if I pay monthly, it's $10. The pro is $25. Let's see what it can do with this. Click on generate. You could actually make a few cards with a part of the script, then do another set of cards with the next part of the script. So you make this the entire video in multiple chunks, and we're gonna go to Premiere Pro and just piece it all together. So yeah, you could use it for completely free, but yeah, for the $10 or $25, it's really worth the money. Let's see what it creates. Let me give you another pro tip here. You see, some of the slides are shorter, some are longer, and so on. I don't like this because I want to use this in a video. So there's an option to fix this. Just click on the 3 dots here and go to page setup and make sure that you're on this traditional thing. And this is going to be the same resolution as your video presentations. And now we can do a presentation. I'm going to click present. AI video 2025. This replaces a $50,000 video shoot. Okay. The game just changed. Okay. 3 massive problems just got solved. Realism, camera problem, cost barrier. The realism revolution, physics simulation, end of expensive B-rolls. Wow. Never be on camera again. Okay, I will still be on camera, but my AI avatar is also on camera, doing the work while I'm doing this. Your digital twin, how it works, yes. The cost, the first mover advantage. I mean, from this you can already do the video. At this point we have a couple of options because of course we want to transform this into a real presentation. You could present it yourself, and just like you would present a PowerPoint document, you could present this. One of the softwares that I would highly recommend that you use is called OBS, free software that you can download. I'm using it right now, by the way. And if you go to OBS, just download it, and you'll be able to add yourself into the video like this. In a corner there, you could be speaking, and then also if you want you can switch to full screen like this. The advantage is that you could be sharing your screen while you're presenting and record your voice, your video, and you're done. So that would be the simplest, quickest option if you're comfortable speaking on camera. Another way is to transform each slide into an image, and all you got to do here is to click on present, make sure that you go full screen. Wait a little bit until all that stuff is gone. I'm on a Mac. I'm gonna hit Command Shift 3. We got a snapshot. Then we move over to our next shot and we're gonna make another snapshot. Okay, so this is gonna give you images. and images are gonna be so easy to transform into a video. So now I took a snapshot from each slide, and that brings us to step number 5, piecing everything together. Now, if you do not want to be on camera, there is a very simple option. There's a tool called HeyGen, and this one is right now, from what I tested, the very best in creating AI avatars. It's costing about $30 a month. Comes with a couple of standard avatars, but you can actually create your own avatar. As you can see, let me show you, here's an avatar video that I've created. The top 5 faceless YouTube niches making the most money, and it's not what you think. I would say it's quite realistic. We're gonna create a new one. So create a new AI video, create in AI Studio. Now, I'm not gonna go through the entire process. I have this entire process in the AI Creators Club explained fully, but in HeyGen, you want to add just your script. Let's see. I have my script right here. I add it in here. I'm going to just use a little bit from the script because the video is going to take too long to render, and I want to show you this quickly. You can choose the avatar that you want. You can have multiple avatars, and you can also choose a basic avatar that they give, and they give you a lot of good avatars. You click on generate. It first makes the voice. This replaces a $50,000 video shoot. I have some bad news. That $50,000 video production shoot you were quoted, it's now $20 a month. It's better at speaking than me, but it's exactly my voice. I can then click on generate. Wait, we need to change this layout so it's landscape. Okay, and then I'm gonna click on generate, and this will create the full video for me. Submit, and it's gonna make the avatar for me. So the AI avatar is ready. Let me download it. And that brings us to our final assembly. I'm going to show you exactly how we're going to assemble everything inside Premiere Pro. Now, if you don't like editing yourself, you can hand it off to our team, because we've just opened up a few spots in our video editing service. We are also including AI presenters, and we can help you create these types of videos and edit them for you. Now, let me also show you how the entire process works inside Premiere Pro. Now, if you're interested in the video editing service and you want your videos done for you, all you got to do is click on the link that's in the description, and you get all the details for that. Now, let's go back to our step number 5, Premiere Pro. So I'm going to open up Premiere Pro, and I have here my snapshots. So the easiest method was to take a snapshot from each slide as an image. So I'm gonna just drag all the snapshots in here, inside Premiere. So once you're inside Premiere Pro, make sure that you're starting with the first shot. So meaning that you added here the images, and you select first, click on the first shot. That has to be the first shot. Hold down Shift and click on the last shot. And this way, it's gonna organize everything in the right order. Put it on the Premiere Pro timeline, like this. And now I'm gonna drag in also our presenter. Make the presenter smaller, and like this. I would say this is already good enough. And then go to opacity, click on this circle. Now it made the circle. Now you click on this thing and hold down Shift, and it makes the circle a little bigger. Center it. And now I want to reduce this feather, and that's already good enough. When you want to move it around, click on motion. We can make it smaller or put it here. I think on the right side it's going to be less text, and that's pretty much it. So video 2025. This replaces a $50,000 video shoot. I have some bad news. That $50,000 video production shoot you were quoted, it's now $20 a month. Okay, so that's pretty good. So you just got to make sure that the slides change at the right time, and that's very simple. You just drag them around here. And yeah, you could also add some transitions between them. This way you can make these simple types of videos. And I'd say that's a pretty good way to churn out videos quickly. If you want to create a lot of social media content, different types of videos. You want to make sure that you have the right tools. Instead of using so many tools and paying for so many tools, you can use just the AI Media Machine, which is a collection of 12 AI tools. And these tools don't just make images, but they make videos and animations. As you can see from an image, for example, we were able to make, the app is able to make these kinds of realistic videos. You can use them for stock footage and so on. And we actually have here an entire script to video tool. So you don't have to go in and mess around with Premiere. You just add the script, or it will make the script for you. Add the script and it will make the video for you, including the images, and the images will be fitting your video. This is also very good for short videos on TikTok and so on. It has the thumbnail maker, very important part on YouTube. The AI avatar, the voiceover studio, so it creates voiceovers for you, but even writes ebooks. This is a very good tool for ebooks, so you can use it on lead magnets and so on. This helps you redistribute your content, so you create a YouTube video and that script you can create into different kinds of platforms. So for X, as known as Twitter, you have to make different text. For your blog, well, it transforms your YouTube video into a blog post, and so on and so forth. A logo generator, a music maker which is updated, which is really, really good. It finds you the trending keywords, and it helps you also find affiliate offers. So if you want to promote an affiliate offer in your YouTube videos or any type of videos, you already have the option for that. So you can try it for $1 for 30 days, and after that it's just $37 per month until we're in the beta launch. Okay, so a lot of people already like it, test it out. I'm sure you're gonna like it also. So basically, if you want to learn stuff, and if you want to get started with AI, go to the AI Creators Club. This is a really good place to start. You can sign up for free and you're going to get all my prompts, all my cheat sheets, and my entire process for creating videos. If you want to have a very good tool to create social media content with AI, then go here to the AI Media Machine, and you're going to have 12 tools that will create content for you. And finally, if you feel like, okay, you just don't want to do the stuff, but you see that AI video is so important and just producing video is so important, then you can choose the final option, the third option, where we will create all the videos for you. The details on this and the pricing and everything is in the description of this video. And with that said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.